Have you ever looked at your finances and thought, man, I need a better way to manage this? Maybe you're juggling multiple income streams, saving for a big purchase, or just trying to keep your spending in check. And if you're like a lot of people, you might be considering Chime as a banking option. But here's the burning question: can you actually have two Chime accounts? Stick around, because we're about to dive deep into that. Chime has gained a ton of popularity for good reason. It offers a slew of features that traditional banks often charge for. No overdraft fees, early direct deposit access, and even the ability to build credit are just some of the perks. So, it's no surprise that many people are considering using Chime as their primary bank. But what if you need more than one account? Maybe you want to separate your savings from your spending, or perhaps you're a freelancer who wants to keep business and personal finances apart. Can Chime handle that? Let's break it down. Main content: can you have two Chime accounts? The short answer is, not exactly. Chime doesn't offer the traditional multi-account structure you might be used to with a big bank. You can't open up a checking account, a savings account, and a money market account all under one name. That's just not how Chime operates. But don't get discouraged. There are ways to create a sense of separation within your Chime account. Here's how. The power of saving goals. Chime offers a feature called Saving Goals. This is a fantastic way to virtually divide your money. You can set up multiple goals with different names and target amounts. For instance, you might have a vacation fund, a new car down payment, and an emergency fund. While it's not technically a separate account, it creates a mental and financial separation that can be incredibly helpful. The joint account option: if you're sharing finances with a partner or roommate, Chime offers joint accounts. This can be a good way to pool funds for shared expenses like rent or utilities, while still maintaining your individual accounts. External transfer services: for more rigid separation, you can utilize external transfer services. Some people choose to link their Chime account to other financial institutions, like a traditional bank or a credit union. This allows you to move money back and forth as needed, creating a sense of having multiple accounts without actually having them. Addressing potential concerns. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but what about overdraft fees? If I accidentally overdraw one of my virtual accounts, won't I get hit with charges? The good news is, Chime doesn't have overdraft fees. So, even if you miscalculate your spending, you won't be penalized. However, it's essential to be mindful of your spending habits. While Chime offers a generous grace period for overdrafts, it's always better to avoid them altogether. So, can you have two separate Chime accounts under the same name? No. But can you effectively manage your finances and create a sense of separation within your Chime account? Absolutely. By utilizing saving goals, joint accounts, and external transfer services, you can find a system that works for you. Remember, the key to financial success is organization and awareness. Chime can be a powerful tool in your financial journey, but it's essential to use it wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.